Children, today we are going to learn history of standard 6th. Chapter number 1, the Indian subcontinent and history. Module 2, geographical features of India. Our country, India, extends far and wide. In the north lies the Himalaya. To the east, the Bay of Bengal. To the west, the Arabian Sea. And to the south, the Indian Ocean. Except for the island of Andaman, Nicobar, and Lakshadweep, the rest of the country is contiguous. We have to take in account this region, henceforth referred to as ancient India. When we study the ancient history of India before 1947, today's Pakistan and Bangladesh were also a part of India. The following regions are seen to be important when we look at the course of Indian history. The Himalayas, the plain of Sindhu, Ganga, Brahmaputra rivers, Thar Desert, the Deccan Plateau, the coastal region, the island in the seas. Let us study about the Himalaya. The Hindu Kush and Himalaya ranges have created an impenetrable wall on the northern side of the Indian subcontinent. This wall has separated the Indian subcontinent from the desert of Asia. There is a land route through the Khyber and Bulan passes in the Hindu Kush mountains. This route was connected to an ancient trade route. The trade route from China passed through Central Asia and reached Arabia. It is known as the Silk Route or Silk Road because silk was the main commodity exported to the Western countries using the road. The route through the passes were used by many foreign invaders to enter ancient India. Many foreign travelers also came to India by this route. After Himalaya, we are going to learn about the plains of Sindhu, Ganga, Brahmaputra. This region consists of the basin of the three big rivers, Sindhu, Ganga, Brahmaputra, and their tributaries. Sindhu, Punjab, in the west to the present day, Bangladesh in the east. It was in this region that the earliest Indian civilization of Harappa and the later states and empires of ancient India merged. Children, do you know Sahara Desert of Africa continent is the biggest desert in the world? Children, here are some questions for you all based on module 2.